25.
Looking for an opportunity to participate in human evolution? There's a new website for you. Welcome to Scientific Station. I'm Brendan Crawwell. Actually, I start out asking if we are looking for an opportunity to participate in human evolution. A lot of people that I hear in common conversation like to say that human evolution has ended. Now, that statement has a lot of problems with it. Evolution, as it's described in scientific literature now, is the result of a process of mutation and then natural selection. Simply being alive, we're participating. Some of us get selected. Some of us represent individuals whose genes do not get passed on and therefore would be selected out, and others of us pass our genes on. So we are all actually participating in evolution the way it's understood. But there's a website now, bodylab.biz. I'll say that again. It's bodylab.biz, and make sure you get the B-I-Z right at the end, because the other extensions that go with Bodylab have nothing to do with this research. Bodylab.biz is a website that is conducting research into how people view other humans and what we would select to pass on to future generations. For those people who log on to this website, you're given about 30 different options of silhouettes of people standing next to a Volkswagen Beetle. And you rate it based on a -3 to a +3 scale. All the data is collected, and eventually what the researchers are going to do who run this website is use the data for those models, those silhouettes that are most selected to create a second generation, and based on the results from the previous part of the study, the second generation will then be available on the website. People can go on, see what body forms are considered desirable, and a third generation will be created, and this will go so on and so on. It's kind of an artificial experiment. I suppose all experiments are an experiment into what evolution could look like on a speeded up scale. Since human lifespans go up to about 70 years old and greater in some cultures, and the generation time is about 20 years, doing genetic studies of humans is very difficult. A lot of genetic studies are conducted using Drosophila, which are fruit flies, or Arabidopsis, which is a small little plant that can be grown in the lab. These organisms have generation times, meaning from birth to having children, of just a few weeks. So mutations can be tracked in a population study over a year. You could have many, many generations, whereas we would need 20 years for humans to do this. So this website is available for anyone to log on anywhere in the world, and the results could give us an idea, probably not so much of what human evolution looks like, but probably more of a study of what is happening in the human brains, especially people who are online. For more information, visit scientificstation.com.